This is a simple and fast review of the Yocada Sponge Mop with squeegee and brush. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So once you get it out of the box, you'll find you have instructions, the main mop head, and the ability to kind of squeegee this or pull this down to kind of empty the mop. I'll show you that in action. You have an adjustable piece here, and you'll see that it extends out. And then, of course, a padded grip with a handle at the bottom. And then this piece will kind of slide in depending on which direction you want to do it. I'm sorry, I'm doing this the best I can with one hand, so let me try and get this a little bit better. So if I wanted to use the squeegee, I would put it in like so, and it should just click in. And so I would just flip it and squeegee. And on the back there, somewhere there, you'll see kind of a little release that allows you to push it in. And again, I'm sorry, I'm going to do my best here. I'm going to push this in and then release it. I'm going to pause so I can do that with one hand. All right, so I flipped it over, and to be clear, I put it on incorrectly. You can see that little button is there to kind of push down and then remove. And when you do that, just make sure that when you re-enter it, enter it with that little arrow thingy kind of going in first, so that it can then be able to be removed. So that'll just go in there, and just press that button to kind of release, and then you'll have the mop or the brush side. It is kind of a it's a decent mop, or I'm sorry, brush. You can kind of, and I'm sorry, I'm blocking with my finger here. You can hear kind of what it sounds like. Squeegee looks good. So we'll go ahead and assemble fully. This all just screws in at the bottom here, and then I'm going to take you outside and we'll finish the rest. All right, so I specifically got this for my deck, and I'm going to just kind of, because it's a lot easier than showing the ground, which is really what I'm trying to dry off, and you can kind of quickly see, I'm hoping, how effective that actually is. But I think it's a better angle, honestly, on the table here. So I'm going to just kind of show you first the squeegee capabilities, how it just simply takes off the water very easily. Dries it really, really well. I'm hoping you can see that. And then I'm going to also show kind of this portion, where again we're using this as more of just a mop to clean up, get stuff off. Now obviously there's a lot of water here, but the key being is that when I'm done, I can literally just pull this, and you hopefully saw all that water come off. So I'm going to kind of use this to squeegee my deck when we get rain, because I do have a deck that gets kind of slippery when wet, and so I'll be using this to kind of clean it off, dry it up a little bit. And again, I don't know that the angles are really giving you a good view, but it really does a really nice job of kind of soaking up the water, the sponge. And of course I could use the brush to get any dirt or anything off, but this is really, really effective. Show that angle maybe a little bit better. I love it. It feels great on my hands with the grip here, and so overall this thing is just really, really nice. And once again, we'll just show this for fun. You can see kind of all the dirty water coming right off. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.